What is modulation, and also explain multiplexing. Let's consider a road. 3 different people are following 3 different paths, which finally merges to a single path. This means the single road is the only path for further walking and traveling. The same process occurs in multiplexing. So multiplexing is a technique in which several message signals are combined to form a composite signal for transmission over a common channel. And modulation is the process by which some characteristics of a carrier signal is varied by an information signal. Now question arises, what is modulating signal? In analog transmission, the sending device produces a high-frequency signal that acts as a basis for the information signal. This base signal is called the carrier signal. The information is then modulated on the carrier signal by modifying one or more of its characteristics. This kind of modification is called modulation, and the signal is called a modulating signal. There are generally 2 types of modulation: continuous wave modulation, pulse modulation. Continuous wave modulation is divided into 2 parts: amplitude modulation, angular modulation. Angular modulation is further subdivided into 2 parts as frequency modulation, phase modulation. Pulse modulation also divided in 2 parts: digital modulation, analog modulation. Digital modulation is tends to pulse code modulation. Analog modulation is divided as pulse amplitude modulation, pulse duration modulation, pulse position modulation. Amplitude modulation is defined as a system in which the maximum amplitude of the carrier is proportional to the instantaneous value of the amplitude of the modulating signal. Frequency modulation is defined as a system in which the instantaneous frequency is varied linearly with message signal about an unmodulated carrier frequency. Systems are connected to the multiplexer for transmitting the data through single path. A multiplexer is the device that combines several signals into a single signal. A demultiplexer is a device that performs the inverse operation. That means one single signal is divided into several signals. Multiplexing is a technique by which different signals are combined together to pass through a single channel instead of many channels. Multiplexing is of 2 types: frequency division multiplexing, time division multiplexing. In FDM, signals generated by each device modulate at different carrier frequencies. The signals with different carrier frequencies from different systems are combined at the adder to form a single signal for transmission. The signals are modulated to provide strength to them for large distance transmission. In TDM, the complete channel bandwidth is allotted to one user for a fixed time slot. The low bit rate input lines are given as an input to the multiplexer from different sources named as ABC. The high bit rate multiplex data stream is transmitted across a single high capacity channel. At the receiver, after demultiplexing, the low bit rate output lines are available to different users. Related term is